Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube channel. Welcome into the channel. For this video, I will show you how to set up your CFG Gameplay.json so you can have unlimited stamina in your DayZ server without having to use a mod. Before we begin, you should know that you need to enable the CFG Gameplay.json in your server's config.cfg, also known as the server DayZ.cfg. Just make sure you are editing the correct one and not the example one. However, I have provided links in the description so you can get the stuff I use like Visual Studio Code, WinSCP, and the JSON validator. Also, I will provide the link to GitHub so you can see the description of each line and an example of my CFG Anyway, to set up the CFG Gameplay.json so you can have unlimited stamina, you will need to open up your hosting service or the FTP, file transfer protocol, that you use. I use WinSCP as my FTP. After your service that you use is up, go into the MP missions folder. Then the map you're playing on. Now in here you will need to locate the CFG Gameplay.json. It is usually 6 down from the last folder. After you have found yours, double-click it. After the CFG Gameplay.json opens up, go ahead and use the shortcut Ctrl-A to highlight all. Now use the shortcut Ctrl-C to copy what is highlighted. Then open up the code editor that you use. I use Visual Studio Code. To open a new text file, use the shortcut Ctrl-N. Then paste the CFG gameplay file by using the shortcut Ctrl-V. If you're at the bottom, scroll up to the top of the file. We will only be editing this section of the file right here for unlimited stamina. Okay, so these first 2 lines will be set to 0. The next 2 lines will be left at 6,100. This line, however, will be set to 0. The stamina min cap will be left at 5. Now the rest of these can be set to 0 as well, and that will give your players full unlimited stamina while swimming, sprint, climbing ladders, melee, jumping over things, and holding their breath. Now you just need to validate this file with a JSON validator. If it is valid, which it should be, copy this and paste it over the file in your hosting service or FTP. On my PC server, Unholy Doom 1, I have my last 2 set to 1.0 and 0.3, meaning that when a player jumps on my server, the stamina bar will go down like normal. If you jump too many times, you will run out of stamina. The last one, Hold Breath Stamina Modifier, I have set to 0.3. So when a player holds their breath while aiming, their stamina will only go down 30% as fast as normal until the player has no stamina. Now, just restart your server and go test out your stamina. Take care, and thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.